Today we look into a vital topic that touches many of us deeply: managing worry and accepting positive emotions to enhance our lives. In this discussion, we'll explore what worry is, how it affects our well-being, and practical ways to shift our focus towards the positive emotions that can truly transform our mental and physical health. It's important to remember that while worry is a common experience, it doesn't have to dominate our lives. By the end of this video, you will have gained valuable insights and tools to help you lessen your worries and increase your overall happiness. Worry is a mental habit where your mind dwells on negative possibilities or outcomes. It's often related to our fear of the unknown or a desire to control events that are, by nature, uncontrollable. While it's normal to worry occasionally, persistent worry can become a debilitating cycle that impacts not only your mental health, but also your physical well-being. So, what triggers worry? Common sources include stress at work, concerns about financial stability, relationship issues, or health problems. Sometimes the habit of worrying can stem from a need to feel prepared for every scenario, leading us to obsess over every detail, no matter how small. Understanding the root of worry is the first step toward managing it effectively. By recognizing what causes your worry, you can begin to address these triggers thoughtfully and find ways to cope that don't involve excessive worrying. Chronic worry is not just a mental burden, it has physical consequences as well. When you worry, your body responds as though it is facing a physical threat. This response is the body's natural reaction to danger, but when triggered by worry, it can lead to long-term health issues. Physically, excessive worry can contribute to high blood pressure, which in turn increases the risk of heart disease. It can disrupt your sleep, leading to insomnia, which affects your energy levels and can worsen your mood. Chronic worry can also weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses. Mentally, worry is closely linked to anxiety and depression. It can create a perpetual state of heightened anxiety, where your mind is always engaged in imagining worst-case scenarios. This state of constant anxiety can lead to feelings of despair and hopelessness, characteristic of depression. It's clear that worry can have a profound impact on both your physical and mental health. Recognizing these effects is crucial as it underscores the importance of managing worry and fostering a mindset geared towards positive emotions. Positive emotions go beyond mere happiness. They encompass a variety of feelings that contribute to your overall sense of well-being and fulfillment. Emotions like joy, gratitude, love, and contentment are all examples of positive emotions. Each of these plays a crucial role in not only combating the effects of worry, but also in enhancing your quality of life. Experiencing positive emotions isn't just about feeling good, it's about the broader impacts these feelings can have on your life. For instance, joy can uplift your spirit and improve your ability to connect with others. Gratitude can shift your focus from what's missing in your life to the abundance that is already present, reducing worry by fostering a sense of satisfaction. Each positive emotion you experience contributes to building a resilient mindset, making you less susceptible to stress. Section 4, mindfulness and present moment awareness. One of the most effective strategies for managing worry and fostering positive emotions is the practice of mindfulness. Mindfulness involves maintaining a moment-by-moment awareness of our thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and surrounding environment. It's about being present in the moment rather than being lost in worry about the past or the future. Practicing mindfulness can be as simple as paying attention to your breathing. When you notice your mind wandering to worries or negative thoughts, gently bring your attention back to your breath. This simple act of refocusing can break the cycle of negative thinking and bring you back to a state of calm. You can practice mindfulness daily through various exercises. Mindful breathing. Take a moment to observe your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils. Mindful observation. Choose an object within your sight and focus on watching it for a minute or two. This could be a tree swaying in the wind or the clouds moving across the sky. Mindful listening. Listen to the sounds in your environment, whether it's the chirping of birds, the hum of traffic, or the quietness of your room. Try to hear all the different layers of sounds. These mindfulness exercises help reduce worry by pulling you away from a barrage of negative thoughts about the future and centering you in the present. Regular practice enhances your ability to stay engaged in the here and now, making you less likely to get swept away by future-focused worries. The journey through understanding worry and accepting positive emotions is enriching and transformative. As we continue, we'll explore how positive thinking itself can be a powerful tool to reshape your experiences and reactions to life's challenges. The way we think deeply influences our feelings and actions. Positive thinking involves focusing on the brighter side of situations, maintaining hope during tough times, and expecting good outcomes. To cultivate a positive mindset, practice gratitude by taking a few minutes daily to reflect on what you are thankful for. This helps shift your focus from negative to positive aspects of your life, reducing room for worry. Additionally, use positive affirmations like, "I am capable and strong," or "I choose to see the positive in every situation." These statements can help you overcome negative thoughts and reinforce a confident outlook. Making certain lifestyle adjustments can significantly reduce your worries. Regular physical activity releases endorphins, improving your mood and reducing stress. Even simple exercises like walking or stretching can make a difference. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains also impacts your mood and energy levels positively. Moreover, ensure you get enough sleep each night to help your body and mind recover and reset, as sleep deprivation can increase anxiety and stress. Lastly, maintaining strong social connections can provide emotional support and decrease stress. These lifestyle changes create a healthy routine that not only combats worry, but also strengthens your overall resilience. Through these adjustments and practices, we build a foundation for not just coping, but thriving, enhancing our ability to manage challenges with a positive outlook. In the next sections, we will explore practical applications of these strategies, helping viewers implement these changes in their own lives for better mental and physical health. Harnessing positive emotions can be a powerful strategy for overcoming life's challenges. When faced with difficult situations, focusing on emotions like joy, gratitude, and contentment can transform our approach and outcome. Instead of being overwhelmed by challenges, positive emotions enable us to see opportunities for growth and learning. They promote resilience, helping us to bounce back from setbacks more effectively. To actively use positive emotions, start by recognizing small wins and moments of joy throughout your day. Whether it's appreciating a sunny morning or acknowledging a job well done, these moments can significantly shift your perspective. Also, make it a habit to look for aspects of your situation that you can be grateful for. Gratitude has a unique way of broadening our viewpoint, making us more resilient in the face of adversity. There are many tools and resources available that can assist you in your journey to worry less and foster more positive emotions. Consider exploring books and mobile applications focused on positive psychology, mindfulness, and stress management. These resources can provide further insights and techniques to deepen your understanding and practice of these concepts. For those who find it helpful, professional guidance from a therapist or counselor can be invaluable. These professionals can offer personalized strategies and support to manage worry effectively. Additionally, joining groups or workshops focused on personal development or stress management can also be beneficial. Engaging with others who are on a similar path can provide encouragement and accountability. Setting realistic and achievable goals is crucial in your journey towards reducing worry and fostering positive emotions. Goals give you a sense of direction and purpose, making it easier to focus and maintain a positive outlook. Start by setting small, manageable goals that contribute to larger aspirations. For instance, if your goal is to reduce worry, you might start by dedicating 5 minutes each day to mindfulness exercises, or by writing 3 things you're grateful for each evening before bed. It's important to make these goals specific and measurable. Instead of a vague goal like be happier, aim for something more tangible, such as meditate for 10 minutes daily or read 1 book a month on personal development and Chris. This specificity für increase and creativity makes it easier to track your progress and stay motivated. In closing, remember that managing worry and enhancing positive emotions is a dynamic process that requires time and practice. Each of the strategies and insights discussed in this video, from understanding the nature of worry to accepting positive thinking and making lifestyle adjustments, serves as a stepping stone towards a more peaceful and joyful life. As you implement these techniques, be patient with yourself and recognize that progress is often incremental. Celebrate the small victories along your journey and continue to adapt and refine your strategies as you learn what works best for you. We hope this video inspires you to take action and make meaningful changes that will reduce your worries and enhance your life. Remember, the power to change your emotional landscape for the better lies in your hands. And thank you for joining us, and here's to your journey towards a brighter, less worried, and more emotionally fulfilling life.